Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by assembling everything so you can move fast. First, trim and thin slice your protein. This helps it cook evenly and roll neatly. While that heats, wash and dry the lettuce and sliced tomatoes into thin rounds so they won't bulk the wrap. Once done, warm 1-2 tortillas in a dry skillet for 20-30 seconds per side. This prevents cracking when you fold. Make sure to season protein simply: salt, pepper, and a splash of oil. You now build the kai wrap with intention. Start with a thin smear of sauce to add moisture and bind, then place a single lettuce leaf to create a moisture barrier. Arrange protein in a line across the center, add sliced tomatoes, cucumber, or pickles for crunch, and finish with a modest sprinkle of cheese or herbs. Once layered, fold the sides in, then roll away from you tightly. A tight roll keeps fillings from escaping. If needed, toast seam side down for 30 seconds to seal. You finish by cutting the wrap on a 45 degrees angle to expose layers and make it easier to eat. Serve immediately or wrap in foil for later. This preserves shape and prevents drying. If you plan to store, chill within 2 hours and consume within 24 hours. If the wrap becomes soggy, remove wet fillings, pat dry, replace with crisp lettuce, and briefly reheat the protein. This restores texture without losing flavor. Make small adjustments, and you'll get consistent results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.